Welcome to FRM, the magazine on the Frankfurt-Rhine-Main metropolitan region. The FRM Pharma Cluster, from being the world's pharmacy to a globally leading pharmaceuticals network. In Frankfurt-Rhine-Main, major international pharmaceutical corporates research, develop and produce effective drugs used to treat serious illnesses. A house of pharma is in the pipeline. The pharmaceutical sector is among the leading industries in Germany. The 43 companies belonging to the Association of Research-Based Pharmaceutical Companies employ around 85,000 people and book sales of 38 billion euros, with firms based in Hessen alone contributing a significant 26%. In terms of key industry facts and figures, such as those on research activities or production, Hessen places top of the table in Germany. The Frankfurt-Rhine-Main Pharma Cluster, one of the sector's core regions, is home to a whole host of important companies. In Darmstadt, for instance, Merck, the oldest pharmaceutical chemical company, produces drugs for the global market. Merck is the market leader regarding drugs for various types of cancer, multiple sclerosis, infertility and metabolic disorders. Fresenius, based in Bad Homburg, is another international healthcare group posting strong growth. SMEs such as Mundipharma, Biotest and Merz complete the picture of dynamic growth in the FRM Pharma Cluster. Stade in Bad Vilbel and Axicorp in Friedrichsdorf, on the other hand, are known as manufacturers of generic drugs, while family-run enterprises including Kreuzler in Wiesbaden and Henning in Flörsheim are considered leading niche suppliers. Then there are the international sector giants like the American Eli Lilly, Danish Novo Nordisk and Japanese Eisai, which were attracted to the region by the good infrastructure and strong cluster. And finally there's Sanofi, the French group that took over the drugs division of the former Hoechst AG when the latter spun it off as part of its merger with Aventis in 2004, is considered the figurehead of the FRM Pharma Cluster. Even if the world's pharmacy, as Hoechst used to be known, is long since to be found in the USA, where market giants Pfizer, the American Merck and Amgen are based, Frankfurt-Rhine-Main is still a world-class pharma location. An initiative by Frankfurt's Goethe University is to ultimately give rise to a house of pharma. The initiative is the brainchild of clinical pharmacologist Gerd Geislinger and the vice president of Frankfurt's Goethe University, Manfred Schubert-Zillewetsch.
One of
the main objectives is to establish a Fraunhofer Institute of Applied Pharmaceuticals Research and Development, a cornerstone at the interface between university research and the research being conducted by the pharmaceuticals industry here in the Rhine-Main region. A further objective is to bundle the regional pharmaceutical industry's interests and address urgent issues, in particular those relating to pharmaceutical research. For example, which drugs should be developed? Can we still afford healthcare? Which forms of treatment do we still need to offer patients better treatment in the future? The House of Pharma will endeavor to answer all these questions. There is no lack of interest in the House of Pharma. More than 250 renowned guests attended the first annual conference at Campus West End. Previously, Biotest and Mundipharma, Merck and Sanofi, not to mention Pfizer Germany, had already expressed their interest in cooperating in the House of Pharma. That was FRM, the magazine on the metropolitan region of Frankfurt-Rhine-Main. You can visit FRM on the internet at frankfurtrhineMain.net.